Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? Okay, student, today is our lecture number 4 that is based on topic 12 old man. Open your book, go to page number 79, take out your pencils. Okay, student, you have to underline all these words that I have underlined, okay? Like beautiful, village, forest, colorful, okay? So, let's start reading. Put your finger on your first line. Saad went to his village. It was a beautiful village. There was a lake on one side of the village and a forest on the other side of it. The forest was full of green trees. There were beautiful flowers and colorful birds in the forest. One day, Saad and his friend Hassan went into the forest. They plucked flowers and ran after the butterfly. After some time, it started to get dark. When they turned back, the path on which they had come was lost. They walked on to find the way back to their village. Far away, they saw some light on the hills. They went up. There they saw 12 old men sitting around the fire. They all had long hairs. They were wearing very colorful gowns. Who are they? Asked Saad. Three old men in white dress got up. Cool wind started to blow and snow started to fall. Both the boys held their hands. They were feeling cool. One of the old men said, "We are the month of winters." Moving to the next page, that is page number 80. I am December, and these are my brothers, January and February. When we come, we bring cool wind snow with us. People wear warm clothes. All the three men then sat down. With it, cool wind and snowfall also stopped. Three other men got up. Their clothes were very colorful. Saad and Hassan could feel cool breeze. A scent spread all over the place. There were flowers everywhere. New leaves started to grow on the trees. One of the men said, "I am March, and these are my brothers, April and May. We are the month of spring. We bring color to the earth. New plants and new leaves grow. Cool breeze blows. People enjoy and have fun when we are around." All the three men then sat down. The boys were amazed. They were quiet and waited for what would happen next. Okay, student, this is the reading of your chapter 12 Old Man 1. Now, moving to the next page, what you have to do, you have to open your notebook, prepare your notebook page, write date, day, and CW in the middle of the top line, and draw margin line also. After drawing margin line, you have to write topic 12 Old Man 1. And then you have to write activity dictation words. Words are given over here, you have to write them as a dictation word. Let's see what the words are: beautiful, village, forest, colorful, plucked, flowers, dark, lost, walked, far, gowns, snow, feeling, winter, December, January, February, clothes, spread, March, April, May, spring, earth, plant, leaves, breeze, quiet. Okay, student, these are the dictation words that you have to write on your notebook. Now, moving to the next exercise that is given on your book page number 8181. In exercise A, it says choose a word and fill in the blanks. Here, the word bank is given over here: 12, lake, December, hill, spring, snowfall. There was dash on one side of the village, lake. The boy saw light on the dash, hill. There were dash men sitting around the fire, 12. I am dash and these are my brother, December. During winter we get dash, snowfall. New leaves grow in dash, spring. Okay, student, this is your exercise A that is given on book page number 81. Now, moving to the next exercise that is given on the same page, exercise B. It says fill in the missing letter to complete the spelling. Beautiful. B E A U T I F U L. Beautiful. Next word is January. J A N U A R Y. January. Third word is butterflies. B U T T E R F L I E S. Butterflies. Next word is snowfall. S N O W F A L L. Snowfall. Fifth word is colorful. C O L O U R F U L. Full. Colorful. Next word is 100. H U N D R E D. 100. Next word is happen. H A P P E N. Happen. Last word is village. V I L A G E. Village. Your third exercise is exercise C on the same page, page number 81. It says answer the following question in yes or no. Rewrite the correct sentences in your notebook if the statement is wrong. Hassan went to his village. Yes or no? No. Saad went to his village. The village was beautiful. Yes. Saad and Hassan went into the forest. Yes. By the lake, they saw some men. No. By the hill. By the hill, they saw some men. 12 men were sitting around the fire. Yes. 12 men were sitting around the fire. Saad and Hassan couldn't found their path. No, Saad and Hassan could not found their path. A sweet scent spread when months of spring got up. Yes. Okay, so we're moving to the next page. That is page number 82. Here is your language structure exercise, and it's about adjective. Okay. Exercise A says that a lot of adjectives are used in the stories. Pick and write them with the given word. First is beautiful. Beautiful village, big trees, long hair, rocky path, old man, colorful birds, colorful dresses, dining table, roaring wind, shining clouds, cool breeze, yellow leaves. Okay, student, this is your exercise A. Have you done it? That's good. Your exercise B is add suitable adjective with these noun. You have to add what? You have to add adjective. Okay. So, dash hair, long hair, dash star, shining star, dash sea, blue sea, dash dress, colorful dress, dash chocolate, sweet chocolate, dash book, good book. Okay, student, here is exercise C. Add a suitable noun with these adjective. Example, a long ruler, a big tree, a beautiful lady, a lovely picnic, a nice dream, a white board, a brown cat. Okay, student, this is your exercise C. Have you done this? That's great. This is our lecture. So I think you all have understood all this lecture. That's good. Okay, student, take care. Allah Hafiz.